But yeah, it's day 5, Friday. Thanks for making it all the way through, and an exciting announcement for you today. But quick recap first. Days 1, 2, 3, 4, we have built an API-first application that is using Supabase as a backend to store data, has a little bit of OpenAI to do some generation, and then we added API key authentication with GitHub secret scanning, developer documentation, self-serve API keys, so much stuff. We even added monetization using Stripe and using a metering policy that we built on day 4. And if you remember, we got to have our little developer portal. So let's go and take a look at the developer portal we had. So here's our project. If we go to our developer portal right now, this is what we had yesterday. And when I click sign in, what you probably didn't notice, because it happened so quickly, is that we're actually using Auth0. We're using our Auth0 demo tenant that we kind of plug into everyone's developer portal for free, just to make it a seamless getting started experience. But if you're a Supabase user, you already have Auth. You probably don't want to use Auth0. What you want to use is what's detailed in Supaweek Day 5, which is us announcing support for Supabase login in the Zuplo developer portal. So the docs for this are available, they're here. They're a little bit more involved. You have to write a little bit of code than some of our other providers because it's a slightly different way of connecting the auth up to, say, Auth0 and Okta and the other ones that we support. But to bootstrap you, particularly on today, we have a project you can clone for Next.js. And actually, we've already embedded the code that you need to work in the little the Next.js app that we deployed to Vercel yesterday. So we're pretty much good to go. All I need is to go and configure it. So let's go and copy this. Let's go to the portal. Let's just back out of this. Yeah, so I'm still signed out. I'm going to go to Zuplo. I go to my devportal.json, and instead of using the demo tenant, which uses Auth0, I'm going to choose external Supabase self-hosted. And the login URL, as described in the blog poster from Abdallah, is documented here. It says you do /login for login and /auth/signout for signout. So let's just go and plug those in. /auth/signout. Let's save our changes. Let's let that deploy. It'll take just a couple of seconds, and then the developer portal should be ready with Supabase login using the exact same login that we had yesterday. So let's try it. So if I refresh this now to get the changes, click sign in. Ta-da! I'm logging in on day 4 video Vercel app using the Supabase account that I created yesterday. So if I just put in my credentials that I created yesterday and click sign in, this should redirect me back to the developer portal, signed in as Joshua Zuplo, and there is my API key. So pretty awesome. So if you want to use the Zuplo developer portal and now you want to support Supabase sign-in into that developer portal, all you got to do is follow this tutorial here in the docs. That'll be posted in the bottom of the video, and you are good to go. So thanks for an awesome super week. I think it was super for us. I hope it was super for you. Stay tuned. We've got more goodies and more announcements coming over the next few weeks. We're doing more content on AI. We have some really exciting feature developments, particularly for people who like using VS Code and developing locally. So little sneak peek there. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and come back, and we'll see you soon.